All right, I will be attaching these instructional videos to the pacing guide as links to the videos. All right, so once you see that the assignment is in blue and that you can click on it, the videos then have been put up. Okay, so that is to help you, just to give you a little more information than what is in the actual lesson. Okay, and also if you are unable to attend the Google Meets, this is a way for you to still get some instruction and still get some help um, from your teacher. All right, so let's take a look at 1.00a and 1.00b. All right, so I'm going into my class here and I'm going to click on 1.00a, the English 3 syllabus quiz. All right, you should see the syllabus come up for you. It's the same syllabus that I emailed to you. It's also the same syllabus that is embedded in my Bitmoji panel at the top of the Buzz course. So you may need to, especially if you didn't attend my meet, you may need to scroll down and read through it. And then once you get to the bottom, you will see a start button. All right. And then you just simply answer the questions. I think it's just 5 questions. Oh no, 10 questions. All right. And when you are finished that, you just click submit all answers. Okay. If you do a couple and then you got to go do something else, you can hit save and exit and it will save your answers for you. Okay. So just a little bit of help here. Let's see. English 3 focuses on, I would go with American Lit if I were you. We are going to read one of these plays. One of these plays uh, we actually read last semester, but this semester's play is different. So make sure you go into that syllabus and find out. All right. So again, you just click submit all answers. And then you also have 1.00b. And that is the pacing guide. Um, and I would look at the pacing guide that I have in my Bitmoji classroom because I can see right now where it says this says extra credit, citing textual evidence. That is not extra credit. The discussion-based assessment is extra credit, and I have it right on my pacing guide on the Bitmoji. So make sure that you look at that. The rest of them look okay. Um, but anyway, you just, again, slide down to take a look at that. All right. And this information is, I believe you are quizzed on 1.00a. Okay. So make sure you look at the pacing guide and the syllabus before you do that quiz.